Hello guys, welcome back to Orion Kids TV with another fantastic video. Today I have a huge problem. All my pencils and pens and scissors, rulers and glue sticks are all messed up. So today I am going to be showing you how to make a small pencil holder. Okay, so let's get started. You'll be needing one ruler, one pair of scissors, one glue stick, one pencil or pen, and some color pencil of your choice, some A4 sheets of your color that you want, and some scrap papers to decorate. So first, take a ruler and then place it right over here on the top like this, with 2 centimeters. And then take the pencil and outline it. Then go back to the bottom like this and outline it again. And then you have to cut from here down here. So I just finished cutting it down. So now let's start beginning the process. Okay, so first you have to take your sheet and you have to fold it in half. Okay, so then you have to fold your piece of paper again like this. Then unfold it. Then fold this part into a triangle. Do the same with the other side. From each one, there will be 2 flaps. You take one of those flaps and turn them into a triangle. Do the same with the other side. Fold it back in like this. Next, you need to have a crease right over here. For that, you will need to take this part and you'll have to fold it in. And fold it. You'll see a crease growing here. Then do the same with the other side. And then after you unfolded it, you have to take this pen and fold it in like this. Make sure to crease it. Do the same with the other side. Unfold it. Then you have to open it like that. Like this. Do the same. And then you have to take this edge and then squeeze it into the clip. Okay, so I just finished making it and it looks so nice. And also with my other paper, I made a pink box. With my scrap papers, I made some decorations to make my boxes look so much more nice. Taste it. Let's paste the other one. I just finished pasting them and they are so good to keep your pencils and pens in. Now let's get organizing. Table is well over. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.